Hello and welcome back. And in this lecture 3, we will discuss about Hello World program. So, how to write a simple Hello World program is will be covered in this session. So, we'll start with the theoretical aspects which are required for writing a Hello World program. Before that, I need to tell you that I had provided the download links for Eclipse IDE as well as the Oracle JDK. So, please download those softwares. Once you download the software, so please install it. Use the default settings whichever it is prompting, and don't change any settings. So once you downloading and installing, and please feel free to ask any questions regarding the downloading and installation procedure if any arises. And next we will go for the theoretical aspects which are required for this writing the Hello World program. So the first thing which we need to do is create a Java project. So we will create a Java project in Eclipse, and then after that creating a Java project, we need to create a package. Package allows us to collect the classes, and we will use the packages throughout this session, throughout this tutorial to organize our classes. So next thing which we need is a class. We need to declare a class. In Java, everywhere we can see classes. Everything will be constructed of classes. So we'll have a class, and in the class we will have a main method. In main method will be our main point of execution, where we will run the main method to execute our code. So that is the theoretical aspects. Inside the main method we will also write the system.out.println, which is a call to the system out printer, and we will print the hello world message in the command line. So that is it for the theoretical aspects. Now we will see the practical for this video. Hello and welcome to the session of creating a Hello World program in Java. So we can see that this Eclipse IDE, once you launch the Eclipse IDE by selecting a workspace, this Eclipse IDE will look like this. So there will be no project created. So we want to create a project. So press the create a new Java project option in the left of your screen. Once you pressed it, you can see the project name. It will asking for project name. So once you get the project, type in the project name. It will allow us to create a new project. So I created a new project and press enter. It will prompt for creating a module. So press that also. So the module will be created, and the module info file will be opened automatically. So this is the basic how to create a project in Java. Now let us close this module descriptor file which is not required. So we'll go to and close the module descriptor file. I'm zooming in and close it. So now we can see in the left side there is a package explorer. If the package explorer doesn't appear for you, just go to window, show view, and click on the package explorer. Then automatically the package explorer will be shown in the left side. So once you get the package explorer, we can zoom in on it. There is an src folder is there inside the project structure. So in the src folder we will create our first package. So right click on the src and go to new package. Once you go into the package, we will write our package name, which is com dot. So that is the class name, package name. So once we created the package name, press enter. Now if you go to the left of your screen, you can see our packages has been created. New package name has been came under the src folder. So right click on the package and create a new class. New class. So the class name we will give class name we will give. The class name will start with a capital letter for all standards. We will follow that standard. Now press enter. So the class is been created. So in this class we will write our main method for execution. So we will go to the after the class we will write the main method. Type in main and plus control space and enter. So the main method will be created for you. So we will write our first system.out.println message here in the main method. You'll have to just type syso and press control space. Automatically the system.out.println will be the coming, and we have to click on this and we have to write hello world. So once you return the hello world, save that file once control S, and then you have to fire it up and run the program. Control F11. So the output has came. So that is it for this session. So I will not explain every program like this. This is for an introduction for how to create a project. So for this lecture I will be just focusing mainly on how the logic of the program flows. I will be explaining by writing already written code. I will explain throughout the series so that people can understand much more fastly. I can explain it within minutes. If you write every single program, it will take a lot of time and it will take a lot of difficulty to follow this lecture. So I will be just explaining the code in most of the sessions. So thank you for watching this lecture. Please continue watching further lectures.